A truck was moving fast on the road. Traffic was flowing normally around it. The driver stayed focused, maintaining speed. Up ahead, an intersection was approaching. Everything seemed clear, but suddenly, from the right side, a pickup truck appeared. It had a cabin attached at the back. Without stopping, it moved straight into the truck's path. The driver of the truck noticed, but it was too late. There was no time to brake. Within seconds, boom! A powerful collision happened. The truck slammed into the pickup hard. The impact was massive. The pickup got pushed forward violently. The truck dragged it along the road. Sparks flew, metal scraped, chaos everywhere. The attached cabin shook and started breaking apart. Both vehicles moved forward out of control. Everything happened in just a few seconds, a dangerous crash caused by one wrong move at an intersection.